Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum IZ376H Charcoal, which stands out with HyperVelocity suction for tackling everyday messes and pet hair on carpets and hard floors. Its FloorDetect technology automatically adjusts brush roll speed for optimal performance across surfaces, while Dirt Reveal uses illuminating lights to expose hidden dust and debris, paired with standard LED headlights for shadows. The self-cleaning PowerFins nozzle prevents hair wrap, and a HEPA filter with Anti-Allergen Seal traps 99–97% of allergens. Lightweight 7 lbs with a removable 21.6 feed battery, offering up to 40 minutes of runtime. Handvac standard mode, 3-hour charge. It converts to a handheld unit with crevice and upholstery tools. Dust cup holds 0.3. Pros: phenomenal suction and debris pickup. Rival pricier models. Innovative reveal tech motivates thorough cleaning. Allergy sufferers love the sealed HEPA system. Versatile 2-in-1 design excels on multi-surfaces. Budget-friendly at $180+. Easy to maneuver and empty. Cons: runtime drops to 20–30 minutes. In turbo stick mode on thick carpets, limiting large homes. Small bin needs frequent dumps. Lacks flex wand for ultra-low furniture, CI2H. 7 lbs feels hefty for extended use or stairs. Overall, ideal for apartments/small homes seeking power and smarts without cords. 4.55 stars for innovation and value. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.